Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start Eman-e-Mujmal. So please listen carefully and then try yourself. Now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Amantu. We are hiding the sound of noon into our nose due to ikhfa. Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi وصفاته وقبلت جميع أحكامه إقرار باللسان. On the iq there is a qalqala, and also we did this qaf in heavy sound. After that ra is also in heavy. After the ra there is alif madda. We long here 1 second. Ra we connect with the meme. Here we make iqlab. After the tanween there is a ba. So if after tanween ba comes, so we make iqlab there. Like the rule is this, and how to make the sound of iqlab. So this noon which is here in tanween, that noon we convert into meme. So that meme basically we read meme sound, we read softly, not hard. Okay, so this keep in mind. So we say iqrarun bil lisani, iqrarun bil lisani, iqrarun bil lisani, wa tasdiqun bil qalb, wa tasdiqun bil qalb. Now we say all together. آمنت بالله كما هو بأسمائه وصفاته وقبلت جميع أحكامه إقرار باللسان وتصديق بالقلب. Alhamdulillah, we finished this. If you have any kind of question in this one, please leave a message under this video. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.